As a Black woman, what type of laser treatments do you recommend? I love this question, but I want you guys to always think in terms of what problem am I trying to solve, because that's the same way that I look at my patients when they come in and they're just like, I need this treatment. And I'm like, well, why? What are you trying to solve? Okay, so when you know what problem you're trying to solve, then it helps you to figure out what type of treatment is the best option for you. So for example, most women of color deal with pigmentation, which is our biggest struggle, I would say. And so if you're trying to treat pigmentation, there's so many different things that you can do. You can do chemical peels, microneedling, you can do radio frequency microneedling. I like to use Tixel for complexion blending. In terms of lasers, you can use NDYAG lasers of different types. So you can use a Pico laser, you can use Airlace has an NDYAG that helps with pigment. You can even use Clear and Brilliant, you can use Fraxel, you can even use a CO2 laser. But all of these lasers, the person doing the treatment is more important than the actual machine itself, because the person has to know the parameters that they're using that is safe for darker skin tones. So for example, I'm a skin type 6. There are not many options for people who have darker skin tones. You can take the lasers in the market and try to adapt them to your skin, but that requires expertise. So it's not just what laser is good, it's what are we trying to treat. If you want to treat scars, that's even more complex, and that's going to require even much more difficult or complex lasers. And again, now you need more expertise. So the type of laser treatment is not necessarily the best question. It's more, what are you trying to treat? And then when you look at what you're trying to treat, is laser the best thing for it? Because it may not be laser. It might just be skincare. It might be chemical peels. It might be microneedling. It might be some other treatment out there, okay? So laser is not always the right thing. So always know what you're trying to treat. Find someone who knows how to treat your skin tone, and then maybe it's a laser. And if so, is it the right laser for your skin? And does the person that you go to know how to use that laser for your skin? So I hope that's helpful.